Don't miss this sought-after open floor plan one-level home with a huge detached garage. Enjoy your morning coffee on your 30-feet rocking chair front porch. Convenient to Lynchburg and Smith Mountain Lake. This is a must-see. Living room features cathedral ceiling and gas log fireplace with built-in cabinetry. Large open kitchen with center island and stainless appliances. Master suite has walk-in closet, and ensuite bath. Main level laundry, rear deck overlooks a level, private backyard. The terrace level offers a half-bath den/4T each bedroom, does not have a window, and family room with potential for a kitchenette with roughed-in plumbing and area for a mini fridge. A large two-door garage with 12 high doors and power.